Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make a Bluesky feed. The first thing we'll need to do is to go over to our search bar on a new tab and search for Sky Feed. Now when we search for Sky Feed, we're going to see among the options skyfeed.app, and this comes as the first option with this icon. Going to click on it, and then right here you can see the service as bluesky.social or bsky.social. And then right here, you're going to put in your username or email address. And then right here, you have the app password. Now, this is not your Bluesky password. This is an app password. In order to get this password, we're going to click on this icon right here. This is basically going to take us to our Bluesky, where we will need to use the Add App Password button. We're going to click on it. Then right here, you can give it any name. Then make sure this is unselected, so we can leave it as this, and then click on next. Now this will create a password which we can use back on Skyfeed. Going to copy it by clicking on the copy icon, copied, and then we're going to go to Skyfeed, paste it here, and continue. And as you can see, we've connected our Bluesky to our Skyfeed, and then we're going to go down to Feed Builder. You're going to click on Create First Feed. And then right here, you have the feed name. So you can name this feed whatever you want. So we can say nature. The next thing we'll need to do is to go down to regex. So basically, this is a filter of what you might want to see on your feed. As you can see, we have hello plus world, and you can see any feed with hello world, even though there is a space between it. Then the next post has hello world, and you get the point. So right here, we're going to clear this off. So we can put plants. Because we put plants here, you can see the feed has refreshed to have different posts having plants. So each post will have plants for the post text. If you want to add the image alt text, you could also have it there. And both text and post pictures will be added to your feed. And then the next thing to do is to click on Publish Feed. Now here you can add an avatar image to represent your feed, and on the description you can put in the description of your feed. So we have all about plants as the description. We're going to leave the license as is and then click on Publish. And now we have our feed published. Now when you click on this link, so here you've opened your published feed with the name Nature by you and the description as follows, all about plants. And you can see the first few posts is all about plants. And there you have it. So this is how to make Bluesky feed.